Hello students, welcome to all of you. So today we are going to study exercise 6b. Okay, till then we have covered exercise 6a, and in that exercise what we have done, if you remember, we have just we were learning how to find if a given number is a factor of that particular number. Okay, or I have told you that how to find the factors of a given number. Now in exercise 6b we will study about the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Okay, so open your page number 75 in your book, page 75, and a table is given in which some numbers are circled and some number are crossed. So the circled number are the prime numbers. Okay, as you can see, 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, and so on. So the number that has been circled are the prime numbers, and the numbers which have been crossed, they are not the prime numbers. Okay, then the numbers which are not prime numbers, or the numbers which have been crossed, are called composite number. Okay, composite number. So what is prime number and what is composite number? The number which can be divided by 1 or the number itself is called a prime number. On the other hand, the number which is not a prime number is a composite number. So all the numbers which have been circled in that table are prime numbers, and the numbers which have been crossed, they are composite number. Okay, now in question number 1, what you have to do in exercise 6b, question 1, ring the prime number. So different numbers are given in this rectangle, different numbers are given, and you have to circle the prime numbers only. Okay, so let me tell you that 2 is the smallest prime number. Okay, 2 is the smallest prime number. This is very important point. Remember this, 2 is a prime number and it is the smallest prime number. So you have to circle all the prime numbers. You are going to do this on your own. Question number 2, write true or false. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 17 are prime numbers. Is it true or false? So yes, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, all are prime numbers. This is true. Okay, so this was part A. Now part B says 6, 8, 10, 12, 20 are even prime numbers. 6, 8, 10, 12, 20, these are even prime numbers. Yes, they are even, but they are not prime number, they are composite numbers. So this is false. Okay, now let's talk about the C part. The smallest odd prime number is 1. Smallest odd prime number. So smallest odd prime number is not 1. 1 is not the prime number. Okay, I have told you 2 is the smallest prime number, but 2 is the even smallest prime number. Now what is the smallest odd prime number? So smallest odd prime number is 3, because 3 is odd and 3 is a prime number. So this is the smallest odd prime number. So part C, if we talk about, it is saying 1 is the smallest odd prime number. So this is false statement, because the smallest odd prime number is not 1, it is 3. Okay, now 4, 6, 4, 6, 8, 10, 16, and 27 are composite number. So yes, 4 is a composite number, 6 is a composite number, 8 is a composite number, 10 is a composite number, 16 and 27 all are composite number. This is true. What a composite number? That can be reduced or that can be divided by any other number other than 1 or itself. Okay, so all these are composite number. You can watch the table carefully. In that table, composite numbers and prime numbers are given. Okay, so do watch that table carefully before this doing this exercise. Question 3. Next is question 3, and it says fill in the blanks. Okay, so first blank is, what is neither a prime number nor a composite number? Which number is neither a prime number or nor a composite number? So the right answer is 1, because 1 is neither a composite number nor a prime number. B, the only even prime number is, the only even prime number. So the only even prime number is 2. Okay, rest all the prime numbers are odd. This is the very important point. Now see, the smallest odd prime number is 1. So I have told you 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So of course, sorry, C says, part C says prime number has only a prime number has only dash factors dash and dash. So what are you going to fill it? So the answer is, you will fill a prime number has only two factors. Okay, 1 and the number itself. So this is also a very important point, that a prime number has only two factors. One factor is 1, or we can say first factor is 1 and the other factor is the number itself. For example, let's talk about the 9. So 9 has only two factor, 1 and 9. Sorry, 9 is not a prime number. 7. So 1 and 7 only. These two are the factors of 7. Okay, now D, the smallest prime number is. So what is the smallest prime number? So the smallest prime number is 2. Then E, question E says dash is the smallest composite number. So 4 is the smallest composite, because 1 is neither prime number nor composite number, 2 is the smallest prime number, 3 is the smallest odd prime number, because 2 and 3 both are prime number. Now 4 is a composite number, so we can say 4 is the smallest composite number. Okay, then F, there are dash primes less than 20. So less than 20, how many prime numbers are there? So 2, 3, okay, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13 and 17 and 19. These are the prime numbers less than 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your answer is going to be 8. You will fill 8. There are 8 primes less than 20. Okay, so this is all for today. This was exercise 6b. Do this exercise in your copy. Thank you.